everyone and welcome to our video. Today we will discuss Mathematics Term-wise Syllabus released by Central Board of Education, Class 9, Academic Year 2021 to 2022. Introduction. The syllabus in the subject of mathematics has undergone changes from time to time in accordance with growth of the subject and emerging needs of the society. The present revised syllabus has been designed in accordance with National Curriculum Framework 2005 as per guidelines given in the focus group on teaching of mathematics, which is to meet the emerging needs of all categories of students. For motivating the teacher to relate the topics to real life problems and other subject areas, greater emphasis has been laid on application of various concepts. The curriculum at secondary stage primarily aims at enhancing the capacity of students to enjoy mathematics in solving day-to-day life problems and studying the subject as a separate discipline. It is expected that students should acquire the ability to solve problems using algebraic methods and apply the knowledge of simple trigonometry to solve problems of height and distance. It is expected that students should acquire the ability to solve problems using algebraic methods and apply the knowledge of simple trigonometry to solve problems of height and distances. Carrying out experiments with numbers and forms of geometry, framing, hypothesis and varying these with further observation form inherent part of mathematical learning at this stage. The proposed curriculum includes the study of number system, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics, graphs and coordinate geometry, etc. The teaching of mathematics should be imparted through activities which may involve the use of concrete materials, models, patterns, charts, pictures, posters, games, puzzles and experiments. Objectives. The broad objectives of teaching of mathematics at secondary stage are to help the learners to consolidate the mathematical knowledge and skills acquired at the upper primary stage. Acquire knowledge and understanding particularly by way of motivation and visualization of basic concepts, terms, principles and symbols and underlying processes and skills. Develop mastery of basic algebraic skills. Develop drawing skills. Feel the flow of region while proving a result or solving a problem. Apply the knowledge and skills acquired to solve problems and whenever possible by more than one method. To develop ability to think, analyze and articulate logically. To develop awareness of the need for national integration, protection of environment, observation of small family norms, removal of social barriers, elimination of gender biases. To develop necessary skills to work with modern technological devices and also mathematical softwares. To develop interest in mathematics as a problem-solving tool in various fields for its beautiful structure and patterns, etc. Also to develop reverence and respect towards great mathematicians for their contributions to the field of mathematics. To develop interest in the subject by participating in related competitions. To acquaint students with different aspects of mathematics used in daily life. To develop an interest in students to study mathematics as a discipline. Now we will discuss the course structure of Term 1. Unit number 1, unit name Number System, marks 8. Unit 2, Algebra, 5 marks. Unit 3, Coordinate Geometry, 4 marks. Unit 4, Geometry, 13 marks. Unit 5, Mensuration, 4 marks. And Unit 6, Statistics and Probability, 6 marks. Total 40 marks. Internal assessment 10 marks and the grand total is of 50 marks. Unit 1, Number System. Number System. Review of representation of number system, integers, rational numbers on the number line. Rational numbers as recurring or terminating decimals. Operations on real numbers. Examples of non-terminating decimals. Existence of non-rational numbers or irrational numbers such as root 2 or root 3 and their representation on the number line. Point number 2. Rationalization with precise meaning of real numbers of the type a plus b root 6 and 1 root x plus root y and their contributions where x and y are natural numbers and a and b are integers. A recall of laws of exponents with integral powers, rational exponents with positive real bases, to be done by particular cases allowing learner to arrive the general laws. Unit 2. Algebra. Linear equation in two variable. A recall of linear equation in one variable. Introduction to the equation in two variable focuses on linear equation of the type ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is the general formula of linear equation in two variable. Explain that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions and justify their being written as ordered pairs of real numbers, plotting them and showing that they lie on a line. Graph of linear equations in two variables. Examples: problems from real life like algebraic and graphical solutions being done simultaneously. Unit 3. Coordinate geometry. The Cartesian plane coordinates of a point, names and terms associated with coordinate plane notations, plotting points in the plane. Unit 4. Lines and angles. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree and the converse. Number 2. Prove if two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are equal. Number 3. Motivate results on corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior angles when a transversal intersect two parallel lines. Number 4. Lines which are parallel to a given line are parallel. Number 5. Prove that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Number 6. If a side of a triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Number 5. Triangles. In this chapter, we will discuss two triangles are congruent if any two sides and the included angle of one triangle is equal to any two sides and the concluded angle of the other triangles. SAS congruence. Number 2. Two angles are congruent if any two angles and the included side of one triangle is equal to any two angles and the included side of the other triangle. ASA congruence. Number 3. Two triangles are congruent if the three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle. SSS congruence. Number 4. Two right triangles are congruent if the hypothesis and a side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and a side of the other triangle. RHS congruence. Number 5. Prove that the angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Number 6. The side opposite to the equal angles of a triangle are equal. Number 7. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Unit 2. Mensuration. Chapter number 6. Heron's formula. Area of a triangle using Heron's formula without proof. Unit. Statistics and probability. Chapter number 7. Statistics. Introduction to statistics. Collection of data. Presentation of data. Tabular form. Ungrouped or grouped. Bar graph and histograms. Internal assessment. Internal assessment, periodic tests, Mark 3, multiple assessments, Mark 2, portfolio, Mark 2, student enrichment activities, practical work, Mark 3. The total marks are 10 marks. Course structure of term 2. Unit name, algebra, 12 marks. Chapter 2, geometry, 15 marks. Chapter 3, mensuration, 9 marks. Statistics and probability, 4 marks. Total it is 40 marks. Internal assessment 10 marks. The grand total is of 50 marks. Unit Algebra. Polynomials. Definition of a polynomial in one variable with examples and counter examples. Coefficients of a polynomial, term of a polynomial and zero polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Constant, linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Monomial, binomial, trinomials. Factors and multiples. Zeros of a polynomial. Factorization of ax2 plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0 and a, b and c are real numbers. And of cubic polynomial using the factor theorem. Recall of algebraic expressions and identities. Verification of identifications and their use in factorization of polynomials. Unit Geometry. Quadrilaterals. Prove the diagonals divide a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Number 2. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and conversely. Number 3. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal and conversely. Number 4. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of its opposite sides is parallel and equal. Number 5. In a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other and conversely. Number 6. In a triangle, the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides is parallel to the third side and in half of it and its converse. Geometry. Circles. Through examples arrive at definition of circle and related concepts: radius, circumference, diameter, chord, arc, secant, sector, segment, subtended angle. Number 1. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center and its converse. Number 2. The perpendicular form the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord and conversely. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Number 3. Equal chords of a circle and equidistant from the center and conversely. Number 4. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Number 5. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Number 6. The sum of either of the pair of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree and its converse. Chapter number 4. Constructions. Number 1. Construction of bisectors of line segments and angles of measure 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, etc. Equilateral triangles. Number 2. Construction of a triangle given its base, sum or difference of the other two sides and one base angle. Unit mensuration. Surface area and volumes. Surface area and volumes of cubes, cuboids, spheres and right circular cylinders or cones. Statistics and probability. Chapter 6. Probability. History, repeated experiments and observed frequency approach to probability. Focus is on empirical probability. A large amount of time to be devoted to group and to individual activities to motivate the concept. The experiments to be drawn from real life situation and form examples used in the chapter on statistics. Internal assessment. Periodic tests 3 marks. Multiple assessment 2 marks. Portfolio 2 marks. Student enrichment activities practical work 3 marks. 10 marks for the term.